Every year, the Nokia company provides many big flagship mobiles, middle class phones, and low budget, high performance phones. So, customers are waiting for the new upcoming smartphone of the Nokia brand. Hi friends, welcome back to these videos. In these videos, we are going to share a new upcoming smartphone of the Nokia brand whose name is Nokia Lumia 2024. Those who use mobile phone in life, that person must know that the Nokia is the most popular and favorite mobile company in the world. We are trying to serially describe the Nokia Lumia 2024 release date, full specifications and price. So that with us and continue watching these videos. So let's get started. First of all, we are talking about the displays. The Nokia upcoming smartphone Lumia 2024 comes with a 6.9 inches Super AMOLED full touchscreen displays, which is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7. Good news for the Nokia Lumia 2024 mobile lovers. This mobile uses display with resolutions of 1440 multiplied by 3200 pixels. In the display section, this mobile also used always on display, which is very helpful for an active users. After briefly describing the display, now we are going to share another very important part of this special phone. The name is camera. Nokia added a quad 144 megapixels primary lens plus 32 megapixels ultra wide lens plus 16 megapixels wide sensors plus 5 megapixels depth sensors as back cameras. For selfie, it has a 64 megapixels cameras. Regular camera features like Zeiss, optic, LED flash, Pronma and HDR added. Now you can easily pick up pictures or making videos by using front cameras and back cameras. Now we are discuss the very important part of the battery. So the Nokia upcoming 2024 mobile phone used a 6800 mAh lithium type non-removable battery for its long time service. After charging one time, you don't need a charge for at least 36 hours. The fast battery charging is a common features. The Nokia upcoming smartphones include 45 quick battery charging features. Nowadays, when a customer wants to buy a new smartphone, they are first checking the memory capacity of the phone. The memory means RAM, ROM internal storage and an extra micro SD card. The Nokia upcoming phone Lumia 2024 comes with a 8GB RAMs plus 12GB RAMs and two variants, 128GB and 256GB ROMs. Customer can easily access better internal storage by using a micro SD card up to 1TB. On the other operating system, this smartphone added Android 14. The powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon's 8 Gen 2 5G mobile platforms make these smartphones very fast. The sensor is an important part of a good smartphone. So Nokia upcoming smartphones with a latest sensors technology and their name is fingerprint under displays. Now we are discuss about the very important parts of the Nokia Lumia 2024 release date. The Nokia Lumia 2024 release dates. After knowing the viral news of the Nokia flagship smartphones, every person who loves Nokia mobile, they are searching for the exact release date of the Nokia Lumia 2024. The exact release date of the Nokia Lumia 2024 is 18 July 2024. It may be late to release for features updates or company issues. Now we are discuss about the very important key points of the Nokia Lumia 2024 price. The official Nokia Lumia 2024 price is not exact available, but the viral news of the Nokia Lumia 2024 price will be started from 410 USD dollars to 360 euros. I hope you have completely understand the Nokia Lumia 2024 price, space, features, design concept, rumor, reviews, pre-orders. If you have any kind of questions about this Nokia upcoming smartphone, so do tell us in the comment sections. I want to see you in the next videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.